just watch your onsets.
Vereint doch, vereint doch, vereint!
Did Professor Randall ever make any unwanted sexual advances towards you?
You're a bad boy.
Did Professor Randall ever make any unwanted sexual advances towards you? Did Professor Randall ever make any unwanted...
Breathe into my hands.
I'm not your friend. You can't tell me the stuff that you tell me. And you can't expect me to tell you the stuff that you ask about.
Ich fühl es.
What?
Ich fühl es. Ein wenig
Why should you know I was only teasing, right? It isn't funny. It's just wrong.
Professor Kent Randall,
Yes.
I'm calling from the university's Office of Institutional Compliance.
I thought so.
Are you aware of the pending investigation into your conduct?
Yes, I am.